Xiaomi is bringing its Redmi A5 4G to India next week. The device is confirmed to launch on April 15 at 12 p.m. Redmi A5 4G was originally launched in Bangladesh last month and later made its way as the Poco C71 in India. The A5 4G will arrive in India with a sub-INR 10,000 launch price and 3 color options: Jaslimer Gold, Just Black, and Pondicherry Blue. As a refresh, Redmi A5 4G brings a 6.88-inch LCD, HD plus 120 Hz, a Unisoc T7250 chipset, and a 5200 mAh battery with 15W charging.